So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Lil Boldish. So today in this video I am going to share with you some ingredients or some recipes by which you can keep your skin hydrated and you can moisturize your skin for the whole day. So guys, as we know, winters are arriving. So in these days our skin feels dry and we have to use varieties of lotions, moisturizers, cream to keep our skin hydrated. So for the people who are working, who are at job, or for the students, it becomes difficult to take care of the skin regularly or to maintain their skin. So today I am gonna show you some products, some homemade products by which you can hydrate your skin or keep your skin moisturized for the whole day, and also it will help you to brighten your skin. So let's go guys, and I will show you how to make it. So let's go guys. So guys, to make this ingredient, at first we will take a banana and smash it properly. As you can see, I have already smashed it down. We have to properly smash the banana so that the other ingredients can mix with it well. Then we will take turmeric. We will take a little bit of turmeric powder. Here I will be taking this much. As you can see, this much of turmeric powder, and then add it down. Then I will take yogurt and add it. 1 spoon of yogurt I am taking here, and then I will add it. Now, then I will mix it properly. You have to mix it. You have to just mix it down properly so that all the ingredients can mix it together. So guys, as you can see, I have mixed it down, and now I will be applying it to my face. So now I will show you how to apply it to your face. So let's go and I will show you how to apply it. So guys, now I am going to apply it on my face. So look here, I hope you can see the paste will just look like this, okay? So now I will apply it with the help of my hand. Here I am applying my hands. I am applying it with the help of my hands because it's better, because you can see the structure, it's thick, and your hands will help you to put it on your face. So guys, as you can see, I have applied it on my face. It's looking dirty, I know, but it will help you to make your skin glow. It will help you to hydrate your skin. It will help you to moisturize your skin. So guys, if you apply this paste on your skin on a daily basis, or if you are too busy that you have no time, then if you can apply, just it take no time, just you only need 10 to 15 minutes to make it and to apply it on your face. So if you apply it for 2 to 3 days weekly, so I can say that your skin will glow and your skin doesn't need much moisturizer, or your skin will not feel dry. It will help you to glow your skin. It will help you to moisturize your skin. It will help you to hydrate your skin. So after applying it, you have to just keep it until it's get dry. So I think 20 to 25 minutes is enough to make it dry. So after it dries, you have to just wash it with clear cold water, and then after that you can see the difference between the you can see the difference in your skin. Okay, so I will keep it for 15 to 20 or 25 minutes, and then I'm going to wash it. Okay guys, I will see you after washing my face. So then I will share you the results of this. So we will meet soon. So guys, मैं अपना मुंह धोकर आ गई हूँ, और मैं आप सबसे क्या बोलूँ, मतलब क्या मेरा स्किन जो है ना अभी से इतना अच्छा लगने लगा है, मतलब मेरे स्किन का अंदर से ही बहुत अच्छा फील करने लगा है. सो मैं क्या बोलूँ, इस इंग्रेडिएंट को अप्लाई करने के बाद आपको स्किन को मॉइस्चराइज करने के लिए अलग से कोई क्रीम, कोई लोशन या फिर कुछ भी अप्लाई करने का कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. इसी से आपका जो है ना काम चला जाएगा. तो मैं आप सबसे यही बोलूँगी कि आप इस इंग्रेडिएंट को घर पे बनाइए, अप्लाई कीजिए, अपने फेस पे लगाइए, और फिर आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बोलिए कि आपको ये कैसा लगा. तो आज का वीडियो मैं गाइस यहीं पे ख़त्म करती हूँ. जल्दी मिलेंगे आप सबसे एक दूसरे वीडियो के साथ. तो अब तक के लिए बाय गाइस.